Hey everyone, today I'm making a fun do-it-yourself project using items found from around my house just in time for Valentine's Day. This arts and crafts project is made from recycled cardboard and paper mache. This large, soon-to-be chocolate-covered strawberry is a 3D prop. Its purpose is to sit on a shelf and look cute. I'm also working on two hearts, which will be containers that lightweight items can be placed in. Next, I'll paint these cardboard creations with acrylic paint and seal the homemade decor with glue or varnish, protecting and making them sturdier. You can visit the YouTube description for the art supplies I used to start making cardboard creations yourself. You can also reach out to me at Desert Studio Art Company for your custom artworks. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the arts.